Hey everyone, welcome to today's video where we're going to tackle a common problem that many developers face. The issue at hand involves using PHP and AJAX to retrieve passwords from a database, but facing delays without any progress feedback. The user, in this case, wanted to switch to using WebSockets for real-time progress reports. However, they were struggling to integrate async-await functions into their code successfully. This problem can be frustrating, especially when you're trying to make your application more efficient and user-friendly. Now, let's delve into the solution provided for this problem. The user tried implementing async-await functions, and their approach seems solid. They also attempted to pass the WebSocket object into the function for sending real-time data to clients, which is a good strategy. The testing done on the code showed that everything was running smoothly, even across multiple instances. It's important to double-check the WebSocket connection and ensure it stays open during database queries. Additionally, the issue might lie in how the client's object is being handled elsewhere in the code. Overall, the user's approach with async-await functions, especially in the second scenario, seem to be working well. In summary, tackling problems like these in your code can be challenging, but with the right approach and attention to detail, solutions can be found. Remember to test your implementations thoroughly and consider all possible scenarios, such as multiple instances running concurrently. I hope this video has provided some insight into solving similar issues in your own projects. Remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below with your thoughts. Until next time, happy coding!